Material, spelled with L, refers to equipment, supplies, and weapons in a logistical system. The word comes from the French word material, meaning hardware or equipment. Think of material as the physical stuff, excluding people, needed for a specific task. In the military, material is vital for completing any mission successfully. Ordnance, like artillery and ammunition, is a crucial type of military material. Keeping ordnance flowing to soldiers is a major logistical challenge in combat. Fuel for vehicles and aircraft is another critical aspect of material. Material management involves planning, organizing, and controlling resources effectively. This includes everything from initial purchasing to eventual disposal of items. Provisioning ensures the right materials are available when and where they're needed. Cataloging provides a systematic way to identify and track different material items. Accurate requirements determination is essential for avoiding shortages or surpluses. Acquisition refers to the process of purchasing or obtaining the necessary materials. Distribution involves getting material to the units or locations where it's required. Maintenance keeps equipment operational and extends its lifespan. Proper disposal minimizes waste and environmental impact. Material often faces harsh environments without the benefit of controlled storage. Packaging and labeling must meet strict standards to ensure proper handling. Sometimes, military procurement allows for standard commercial packaging. In commercial settings, material represents the products a business sells. This differentiates from the tools and equipment used to operate the business itself. Efficient material management is key to both military success and business profitability. Inventory control and supply management are synonymous with material management. Understanding material is key to appreciating logistics across various industries.